Hello friends, welcome to Big Foodies. Today we are cooking mooli patte or moong dal ka saag. You can also call it as a red green and moong lentil mix. This veggie can be served as a side dish with roti, paratha, puri, rice or any bread of your choice. Before checking the recipe, please subscribe to Big Foodies by pressing the subscribe button to get new recipes every week and hit the bell icon to get notifications about new recipes. Now let's check the ingredients first to make मूली पत्ते और मूंग दाल की भाजी. For making मूली की भाजी with मूंग, we have taken 1 pound मूली के पत्ते washed and chopped, 1 मूली washed and chopped it, 1/3 cup मूंग दाल soaked in the water for 20 minutes, 1 inch of ginger chopped and 8 garlic cloves sliced it, 2 whole red chili and 4 green chili. So you can take green chili as per your taste and 2 cloves. Heat the pan and add 4 tablespoon oil. I have taken mustard oil. You can take olive oil or any kind of oil what you like. Put the flame on medium. Add a pinch of asafoetida, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds. Allow them to splutter. Add 2 cloves. Now add chopped garlic. Stir it. Now add chopped ginger. Stir it well. Cook it until they become brown. Now you can see ginger and garlic became brown. Now you can add chopped green chilies. Stir it well. Now add 2 whole red chilies. And stir it well again. Now add chopped मूली. Mix it well with the spices. Add salt as per your taste. One teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 2 teaspoon coriander powder. Now mix it well. Now add 1 teaspoon raw mango powder. Mix it well. Now roast it for 2 minutes and put the flame on the medium low. Now add chopped मूली के पत्ते. Put the flame on medium. Mix it well. Add moong dal. Now mix it well. Now close the lid for 5 minutes and put the flame on the medium. Now 5 minutes is over. Now we will check it. Stir it well. We have to cook 5 more minutes. Cover the lid for 5 more minutes. Now 5 minutes is over. We will check it. Now add half teaspoon garam masala. Mix it well. Now mooli ki bhaji with moong dal is ready. So now we can serve it. Now we have served mooli patte or moong dal ki sabji. Enjoy this sabji with your family and friends. You can have it with roti, paratha, rice or puris. Try this recipe, and if you like it, please subscribe Big Foodies for new recipes every week. Like and share this video. Thanks for watching this video.